Hello students, today we are going to create a table of values for a trigonometric function sine of x. This table is required and the domain of the function is 0 to 2 pi. It can be drawn for any interval. If we do it before we go to the date table for calculator, we need to understand some basics. The x value, if you look at the interval, started with 0, finishes at 2 pi. In the between these two values, we have to take intervals. So I am taking my interval at pi by 2. You can do it pi by 2, pi by 6. It's up to your requirement. If you are drawing a graph, you need more points for better illustration. So you will get more interval, and you will divide pi by a bigger number. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we need to convert the number setup into radian. It's already in the radian with me anyway for the illustration for radian. Then we'll take the table, it's here, share just mode 7. Then we'll write the functions. The function is sine, so click sine, and with alpha we need to write some value here, not value, alphabet here for the angle. So we have a lot of alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, I think M, no, M is memory, X. So they are values, they are letters we can use. I'm using the same letter as X, so it comes with shift, not with alpha, sorry, it comes with alpha, this, and close the bracket and go. Another function is being asked by the calculator. We don't need another function. Keep going. Start. The x value start with 0, so we'll write 0. Another number is being asked by the calculator is the final finishing point of the interval, which is 2 pi. So 2, then shift pi. Then step. The calculator is asking the user to write the step. These pi by 4, pi by 4, pi by 4, they are my steps. They are interval actually, width, different terminology is being used for it. So pi by 4, so shift, here is pi, then divide by 4, and this. So here is the table. And as you see, the number format is very long, so we should round them. And for rounding, we go to shift, side up, under fix. I would like 3 decimal places, so 3. Now wherever you are moving, look, the cursor is highlighted on the like it's highlighted black, and then you see that number here, it's highlighted black, and it's here. So where is your cursor? It will be displayed here with 3 decimal places. So this is the table which was our target. We achieved it. So 0 minus 0.7, then 0, 1, 0. I'm gonna check the table, then 0. Okay, so the same values. Thank you. I hope it would help us in our courses.